At the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, we're committed to helping each student plan an academic path that helps them achieve their goals and graduate on time. That's why we created the Degree Planner. It's a tool that will help you plan your academic career and stay on track to graduate. To use the Degree Planner to make your first plan, go to My Red, hover over the Academics tab, and click Degree Planner. This brings you to the Degree Planner homepage. Click the plus icon to create a new plan. On the Create Plan screen, you can craft a degree plan for your declared major or make a what-if one to explore other majors. You can also build your plans from the sample plan template or build your own from scratch. The Create Plan screen also allows you to select an expected graduation date. This determines the number of terms and length of your plan. You can also click to display summer terms if you're thinking about taking classes during that time. After you're done choosing your preferences in this menu, click this box. This is how you make your enrollment plan. This can only be selected for declared degree programs. Click the Create and Continue button and let's build your plan. On this page, you'll see two columns. Degree requirements are on the left under My Requirements, and terms are on the right below My Terms. Each requirement is color-coded. The green check shows a requirement is complete. The purple calendar means it is planned. The blue dotted icon shows a class is in progress. The gray one means you have not planned for this degree requirement. You can add a requirement by dragging and dropping it from the requirements side. You can also add multiple courses or increase the hours within a requirement. Any transfer credits will appear at the bottom of this page. Now let's take a look at the icons on the top of the term side. The grid brings you back to the home page, which you can see your enrollment plan indicated by the star. Enrollment plans are those reviewed by your advisor. They're tracked in your degree audit and will guide you when you sign up for classes in the enrollment scheduler. You can view any previously created plans too. Back on the terms page, the icon in the upper right is your options menu. Here you can do a few things. The icon legend shows you the meaning of all the icons that are found in the Degree Planner. Preferences links to the Create Plan screen. This is where you can edit your plan's choices, such as changing its name or your expected graduation date. Map History tracks the changes to your plan. Clear Plan deletes plan requirements. It will not clear any completed or enrolled courses. You will be prompted before your plan is cleared. Delete Plan removes your degree plan. Once again, you will be prompted before it is deleted. Reset Plan reverts your plan back to the sample template. Resync Plan updates the plan from the system to pull in missing items like grades or requirement statuses from the degree audit. View Sample Plan allows you to see a sample for-year plan provided by your department. When you're finished crafting your plan, there are 4 things you can do. Let's take another look at the top of the page. First, you can check your work by clicking this icon. You can see any errors, then make corrections. If you see the word revise, your plan may not be ready. If you're unsure why you're being asked to revise, you can still click continue to send your plan to your advisor for discussion. This upload icon saves your planned courses to both the enrollment scheduler and your degree audit. Be sure to re-upload your plan anytime you make changes to planned courses. This feature is only for your enrollment plan. The inbox icon allows you to share your plan with your advisor for review. We encourage you to meet with your advisor every semester to discuss your plans. This feature is also only for your enrollment plan. In addition, you can make comments within your plan to help guide your future meeting with your advisor. You can open the comment panel by clicking here or the comment icon within a certain term. To add a comment, click the plus symbol within the term and select Add a Comment. The comment icon stays there to indicate terms you made comments for easy access. Remember, if you need help understanding your degree plan and its requirements, please meet with your advisor. If you have technical problems with the tool, visit Husker Hub.